Our country is facing a financial crisis. Nearly 40% of Americans fear they won't be able to retire because of financial setbacks. Inflation is devaluing consumers' paychecks. Credit card debt is at an all-time high, and savings at an all-time low. 1 in 8 consumers are unaware of their credit score, and more than half of Americans have less than 3 months of emergency savings. But within this financial crisis lies massive opportunity. The world needs financial education, and together we can help. UWE is a financial education company that offers a range of services to help families secure their personal finances and protect their future. It is also a business opportunity for you to work at your own pace, to develop a supplemental source of income, to achieve your financial goals and support your family. Join our team and help us in our mission to spread financial literacy to all. As a UWE agent, you can earn commissions for every customer you refer and enjoy other benefits, including free life insurance for agents who meet qualifications, an opportunity to get personal access to our protection plan services for free, a flexible schedule that allows you to work when you want to. Our compensation offers 6 different ways to earn. Direct commissions for each protection plan customer you enroll. Residual for each monthly payment your customers make. Earn level overrides for sales your team makes on your 1st through 6th levels. Earn customer acquisition bonus commissions when your new team members make their first 2 customer sales. Generational overrides are paid for team sales beginning when you reach the executive sales director position. We also offer top producers an opportunity to earn additional bonuses for retirement and investment at 10 levels. Our Medallion Club rewards agents who've achieved high protection plan customer sales. In addition to earning a bonus at each level, members receive special recognition at company events and invitations to exclusive dinners and meetings. Our R&R Club offers top producers an opportunity to earn additional bonuses and investment income at 10 levels when they reach personal sales requirements. For details about this exclusive club, please refer to our compensation plan document. UWE, along with our partner United Credit Education Services, has been helping families across the country for over 20 years. Through UWE, you have access to services that can help you and your customers achieve financial stability by becoming financially literate, improving your credit profile, protecting your identity, learning how to organize your spending and savings, protecting your family's financial future. Our protection plan includes savings goals and debt payoff systems, credit builder, credit monitoring, identity theft protection, estate planning, rocket lawyer, and more. As an agent, you have the opportunity to take advantage of these services free of charge by meeting sales qualifications. Your online back office has professional marketing materials, training videos, and presentations, as well as your commission records. Get access to best-in-class marketing materials designed to help you sell. As a part of our team, you have access to ongoing training opportunities through regularly scheduled calls, as well as in-person training events in cities across the country. Build valuable skills that will serve you for life. If you are interested in learning more about promoting financial literacy with UWE, contact the person that shared this information with you and start working toward a better future for you and your family today.